Hello, Nomad Sculpt Quick Shots Part 17. Something like teeth. Okay, you can make it professional like this sculpt, but we do it a little bit more like this. Okay, I create a new scene and we don't need the sphere. We need a cylinder. For example, you can also add a torus or okay, we don't need it so high. And in the topology, we add a hole. It's only about the technique. Okay, this is okay. Validate it. And now we need another primitive. We add a box. And we bring it in a form that looks like a tooth. I think tooth is the word. And a little bit smaller. I think this is okay. And don't validate this this box. I think the camera view is now right. Okay. At this, and now I'm testing the rotation. Does it work fine? Okay. And sometimes top view. And in the top of the screen is a mirror button. And I test this also. Does it work fine? Yes, it works. That's okay. Okay, we can now go a step back. I turn on the symmetry, show line, and I bring this object in this position in the front view. And I go back to the top view and bring it in a position like this. These are the front teeth. And you can position it like this. You can check it. Is it okay? I think it's good. And now on the left side you can use the clone button. Press it and now, oops, clone, and now you got another pair of teeth, and you can adjust it and bring it in position. And in the topology you can pin it on, and you can here adjust the size of this teeth. For example, go a step back. These are other teeth, and bring it in position. And now you can clone it again. Move it, rotate it a little bit. And change the topology. Okay, clone this one, bring it in position. And change the topology. like the teeth you need. And clone it again. I switch off the you can adjust it here with the sliders, I think it's the word, or the balls, and clone it again. Now I think we got enough. Okay, it's fine. Don't validate it. Now you can hold the smooth button, press all your teeth and simple merge it. Okay, and in the topology settings you can now subdivide it. For example, like this. You can go a step back and in this position the teeth are not merged, and when you when you think you have to adjust it, you can now bring the teeth in position or adjust it like you want. You can do also a post division to this teeth, and there are adjustments possible. Like this. You can change almost any direction. Okay. And now you can use the smooth button when you're happy with the result, and simple merge this object. When the subdivision is not so high, you can adjust it with a drag brush, for example. Which few we need. You can change for simple merging. Before you simple merge the objects, you can adjust it, and when they simple merged, everything is in the same object, and you can not adjust the single objects. I'm doing it very roughly, and you can change the size of the brush and make adjustments, and so on. And now you can change the subdivision again, and sculpt when you can use also the move brush and sculpt it like you want. And the symmetry is on. That's really helpful. have to do it only one time. And when you're happy, you can give it a color. And this we can also subdivide. We can adjust it also in a way like this, and give it also a color. It's a little bit more fleshy. Okay, turn off the wireframe, and you can now use, for example, the grease, and make the brush a little bit smaller and make a few adjustments. And you can paint it. In the post-processing, it looks fine when ambient occlusion is on. Yes, and I think it's okay for a few minutes work. Okay, have fun with sculpting. Ciao.